Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make pumpkin jelly trees. They taste great and it's simple to make. Let's get started. For this recipe we need 2 pounds, this for about 900 grams of fresh pumpkin. Today I'm going to bake in a microwave. Bake pumpkin until soft. Then cool slightly. Meanwhile, we need to mix 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder with half cup of water and let it swell for about 10 minutes. Peel the pumpkin and put in a food processor and pulse until smooth. Transfer pumpkin puree to a pan. Add 1 cup of sugar or to taste, or you can use honey. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, swollen gelatin and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or apple juice. Place over low heat just until the sugar and gelatin dissolves. Then pour into a form. I use a baking dish, grease with oil. Let cool completely to room temperature, then let it cool in the fridge for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and my dessert is ready. because this pumpkin deserves especially for tea or coffee break. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you